Hey everyone, so today I'm talking about CTR. In this video, I will explain everything about CTR. So, what is CTR? Why CTR tells you everything? Why CTR is most important? So, first, what is the meaning of CTR? CTR means you already know click-through rate. Okay, so it is a percentage of people who saw your ad and then clicked on it. So, what is the formula of CTR? CTR is equal to click divided by impression into 100. So, as an example, if 1,000 people saw your ad and 30 clicked it, so your CTR is equal to 30 by 30 divided by 1,000 into 100, so it's 3%. Okay, so why CTR matters so much? 3 points. Number one, Google uses CTR calculate expected CTR, and you already know the expected CTR is a part of quality score. So our quality score depends on expected CTR, and expected CTR depends on CTR. So when our CTR will be good, our expected CTR will be good, and our quality score will be good. And when our quality score will be good, our CPC will be low, and our cost per lead will be low. Okay, so I think you can realize it why CTR is most important. And number two is high CTR. So when you get high CTR, Google thinks your ad is relevant, and Google rewards you with lower CPC and better position. Okay. And number three is low CTR. When you get low CTR, Google thinks your ad is not helpful. So Google charges you more and shows you less. So that's why CTR matters so much. Okay, I hope you can understand. And now, what is the industry benchmark of CTR? So for search set, Google a good CTR is 3 to 5%, and excellent is above 6%. But in my real case, usually I get in my service campaign, I'm getting as like 10 to 15% CTR. And in my brand campaign, I usually get 20 to 30% CTR. Okay, in search set. For display, good CTR is 0.3%, even 0.1% can be acceptable. And for shopping ads, average is around 0.86% CTR. Okay, so if you search as CTR is below 2%, so you have a problem. So what is the cause of low CTR? What is the cause? What behind the result? What is? So ad is not relevant to the keyword. Okay, so as like your ad tells about commercial cleaning service, but your keyword is about residential cleaning service, so ad is not relevant to the keyword. Headline does not match the search intent. Suppose you search intent as like residential cleaning service, but your headline as like commercial cleaning service, so headline does not match search intent, and ad is in low position as like position 4, 5, or 2 or 3 number page. Okay, and no compelling offer in that. Suppose your ads generic, your headline is generic as like best cleaning service, top cleaning service, affordable cleaning service. That's like in here you do not add as like 3% of our breakfast of our 1,000 customer trusted 5-star review. So no compelling offer in that. This is the one of the cause of low CTR. Okay, and not using ad extension as like citing, call out, etc. Okay, so this all cause of low CTR. So how to improve CTR? Write keyword specific headlines. Okay, that's like your keyword is emergency cleaning service or even commercial cleaning service. So you must be include the headline commercial cleaning service or 24/7 commercial cleaning service in your headline. Okay, as like, and add a clear city as like call now, free order now, book today, and free consultation now. Okay, and use all available ad extension as like settling, call out, snippets. For local business, I usually add settling and call out just. But in call out matters so much. In call out, you can add as like offer, trust, benefit feature, this type of call out type. Okay, and also your headline you must be add as like number type data as like 20% of our 5 years experience, one trusted by 1,000 customer, and also as like that type of right. Okay, so and always remember one thing: never judge a new ad after only 50 to 100 impression. Wait for at least 203 impressions before making decisions about CTR performance. So okay, always remember this. And comment CTR. I will send you full guideline about CTR. How can you improve your client Google Ads CTR? Okay.